The campaign, I think, has demonstrated that there is a mood in this country represented by Nixon and the ruling monopoly corporations, which is going further and further to the right. And one of the ways in which these fascist tendencies are being represented is through the direct attack against black people. Nixon's Southern strategy is not only a strategy for the South, and is not only an electoral strategy, but is a strategy vis-a-vis black people throughout the country. And that extends not only to the United States, but you see the Southern strategy in operation in Vietnam, and particularly in Africa.